One bad buyer can ruin your seller rating in seconds, and here's the exact way to block them before they destroy your business. You're blocking buyers from your listings, and if you block them the right way, they're going to be unable to bid, buy, make an offer, or send you a message on any of your listings, right? That's what we want. We want to say adios, amigos, and you can block up to 5,000 people. Solid amount, right? And so that's you want to put their buyer username or email address, separate usernames or email address with a comma, and then you're going to click submit, and then they're not supposed to be able to contact you anymore or buy from you. Right? Very, very nice. Great job, eBay, on being able to allow us, because if people are harassing you, fraud, right? You think they're going to be scamming you, messaging you about what if I bought your item, and so some buyers are a little weird. And then persistent issues. You're going to know once you start selling online, like who's going to be trying to scam you and who's not going to be trying to scam you most of the time. Now, in order to just avoid having to block people, we want to put things in place like the block settings. So this is the buyer management block settings. You manage who can bid or buy your items. And this is key if you are already successful on eBay. When you first start off, it's, whoever's willing to buy. But once you start making sales, you can start being a little bit more picky, especially if you have a bestseller. So you can fill in these settings. Block buyers who caused 2 cancellations of unpaid orders within 1 month, right? So you can specifically automatically block buyers. Block buyers who their primary shipping address is in a location which you don't ship to. Pretty simple. Block buyers who are currently winning or have bought blank items in the last 10 days. Orders with more than one quantity of item, apply this count. Only apply this limit to buyers with a feedback score of up to blank. Update block settings. Require buyers to provide payment method before they even place a bid. Require all buyers to provide a payment method before they can make an offer. Don't allow blocked buyers to contact you. So again, you can kind of go through this, and this is what's going to help you. Now we do have kind of a little bit of an aggressive breakdown. So it's going to be 212, check the box. So you're going to do 212. So buyers who caused 2 cancellations of unpaid orders within the last 12 months, you're automatically going to block them. That's pretty fair. You give them more than one chance. You give them 2 chances, and then you say goodbye. Well, I have to do it twice within the month. You're going to turn this on, and this one you're going to do 10 and 5. Right? So if it's a brand new buyer and they just randomly don't even have an eBay account, they buy 10 of your items, you can block them. I wouldn't do this one. I would definitely do this one. But this one, I would kind of just leave it as is. That's a little bit overkill. Requiring payment methods and stuff like that, blocked. Always ensure this one's on. Update block settings. Update block settings for active listings. If you uncheck this box, active listings won't be impacted. You obviously want to impact your current listings, right? So these are the ones that I would turn on. I do like it how it is. I'm not going to turn on these 2 ones right here, but you would just turn those on, and that's going to help mitigate you from getting those bad buyers. Usually it's those with no feedback, no reviews, and you do have the ability to block them. Let's say if we have if they have no reviews, we can say we can only allow them to buy 1 item if we want. Or we can block them if they buy 1. So I mean, it's up to you at the end of the day, depending on what type of product you're selling and how risky it is. But that's it for today's video. If you do need help selling online, feel free to contact us. We are eBay, Amazon, Walmart, Etsy experts. That's going to help you get to the next level on those platforms and get those buyers off. The link's right in the description to contact us or schedule a call. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of BHP Consulting Group, signing out.